Grinding gears and shooting deers here. And today we're going to be fixing this lawnmower. I know nothing about it. He does. He's the grinding part.
It's a John Deere X340. It's got a 54-inch extra edge. Makes 25 horsepower. It has one problem right now. This pedal, as you can see, is not completely on, and that lifts up the deck. So it's pretty much crucial for my future lawn business that's coming up here when the grass starts growing.
Speed and quality unite.
Yeah, when the grass starts growing.
So in the Effingham area.
I gotta come on the other side and hold that thing back so he can get that thing back on the shaft.
Beat the crap out of it, pretty much. Should I get a different hammer?
No, you want to get the rubber one.
Yeah, I'm gonna move y'all. Move them over here, I guess.
Here, I can zoom in over here.
Okay. This mower has been through a lot.
It's got 300 hours on it. I'd say it's been through quite a bit. It's 2008.
Oh, is this thing coming off the rim?
No, it's got an extra. It's called rim guard.
Okay. I was thinking it looked like it was.
It's got a built-in rim guard. Yeah.
Okay. Is there the good there? Kind of sharp beating.
Yeah. Alright. Is it going on any?
I think it might be better.
Alright. We'll get back to you guys after we find this out. See if it's gonna move at all. Go. Hey.
We're cleaning Deere out.
Yep. Right now, there's a little bit of. Hold on. Camera in there. See? Can they see it? I can't see the screen.
YouTube life.
See that circle right there?
That goes to the pedal, and it's full of grease. Lane told me to clean it out, so I cleaned it out.
Yep, we're cleaning it out with that screwdriver.
Real tasty.
Wiping it on a little bit of this, okay?
We don't have any shop.
We'll get back to you in a little bit.
Heater guy.
So, what's going on is, right down there, back there, you gotta take my word for it because I don't think you can see it. See that little gap right there? There's a flat-sided washer, or nut thing, an insert. And what it does is, it's got flat side, and it's rounded on the other edges. And it's got a hole to match that. It popped out and twisted a little bit. Yep. We'll get back to you whenever we fix that. Hey guys, it's me. Brody's over there.
I'm not about the doors this time.
So right now we just took off this, which was harder than you'd think because those bolts were Loctited on. Anyways, now we can get to back here. Now I'm gonna hold the deck in the right position and Brody's gonna hammer it in.
Oh yeah. Also, here's the mascot of the entire YouTube channel.
It's so bright, it's like messing with the camera.
Duh, he's a golden cat.
I didn't mean him. Alright. While we got the hood open though, you can see Kawasaki motor, high torque. It's got pretty gnarly cam for actually a motor just a stock like this. But yeah, nice wide rear tires. It's got a 5-gallon gas tank, and here's a view from above.
It's not crazy fast and crazy powerful, but it does the job.
That's the job for mowing. It definitely mows quick.
It's not bad for mowing either. It's just you probably want more torque in it.
It's a narrow mower. You can see a view like this. The deck goes out a good ways on both sides. But yeah. Brody, you wanna slap it again?
Maybe Marty will.
Hey guys, so we fixed it. I had to do a little crowbar action and got her on there. Now we gotta put a snap ring on right there. Alright, we'll get back to you whenever we get snap ring on.
Hey man, I'll tell you what man, they're gonna like, subscribe, they're gonna watch Kendall Gray, they're gonna LFG, and they're gonna watch our latest video, man. I'll tell you what man, they're gonna real good with you. They're gonna watch the worm video, and they're gonna watch the bait catcher with you, man. They're gonna peace.
So what Brody just said there, if you didn't understand, was like, subscribe, watch our videos on, we have one on Yo Mighty Worms and another one checking our trail cams, And another one, we were reviewing the Abu Garcia Silver Max and Black Max. So I'd recommend those videos. We'll show you. It doesn't have you can't put a snap ring on it. Got everything back together, and yep, it doesn't wobble as much anymore. Used to hit this metal down here. But yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, watch especially that video checking our trail cams. This is pretty good.
The Irish are not hot.